How to fix your game requires a system restart. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix your game requires a system restart error in League of Legends. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First step that you'll need to take here is open up services. So go to your Windows search bar and simply type in services, and there you'll see it. Open that up. Now on your services, you will need to find a service called VGC. This one right here. Simply, if you can't find it, tap on any services and then press V, and it should locate it like this. After you see it, if you double tap on it, you should see the state it's on. So there you can see it's stopped. So all you have to do is tap on start. Tap on start to start the service. And after it starts, you will need to tap on apply and then tap on OK. And finally, after you've done that, you will then need to move on. What you'll now need to do is you will need to open up your task manager. Head over to your task manager, and inside here you should find your Riot game client. So search for Riot, and after you find the Riot client, you can then simply stop that, or if it's not enabled, enable that. So all you have to do is let me just press on it. So if it's not enabled, all you have to do is enable that, and then at the end restart your entire device. So you can simply press Alt F4 and shut it down, or simply select restart and then tap on OK. Then restart your computer, and then your error should not be repeating. And that's basically it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.